I just realized there was one more thing I didn't tell y'all about that I just got, and that is I'm always looking for a bra that is wire free. I am overweight, and so my chest is really heavy, and my cup size has probably gone up 8 sizes since I was my size, meaning my 20-year-old size, which is really your size for life. But because of being sedentary and not exercising like I should, eating a lot of carbs and things that I shouldn't do, I have gained a lot of weight over my lifetime. About 65 to 70 pounds over time. So, wearing underwire bras actually, I believe, has given me some scar tissue underneath my bra because it pushed down so hard. And I was like, okay, I've got to find a bra that does not have wire. And this Truekind Daily Comfort Wire-Free Shaper Bra, and it's saying, get ready for your new staple bra. Not staple, but your new, this is the standard bra, and you're going to buy these, and it's 95% nylon and 5% spandex. You machine wash, cold it, you don't bleach it, you tumble dry on very, very low. You don't iron it, and you don't dry clean it. It is made in China, but it's designed in the USA. That bothers me. But anyway, I want to keep production in the United States for U.S. jobs. So I didn't realize that. But anyway. So let's just see. The packaging, as you can see, is a nice little bag that I would definitely not reuse because the brand is directly on the back. But you could use this for, I believe in reusing packaging where it makes sense. And this could be used for putting, clean brushes and combs and hair bows and stuff like that. So you can reuse that bag. Okay, so here it is. I don't remember what size I got. Did I just get like extra large or did I put in a number? 2XL. Okay, I went with their size chart to try to figure it out. And I know this is kind of a weird thing to like hold up, so I'm not going to hold it up so be like, my gosh, she's got big anyway. But I do want to show you the material. First of all, I like that it has this wide band. Oh, we're just, whatever, we're girls. I'm just going to show it to you, maybe half of one. It does have this wide band on the bottom, and so that's going to be that support down there that you need. You don't just want something that does not hold up. And then also, I don't know if you can see, it's got this kind of pretty, it makes it pretty, a little sheen part that goes between and under, and that's a very breathable fabric. Now let's look inside. It looks like it's the same inside as outside. No, it's not as, that little part right there's that sheeny part's not on the inside, as you can see. But on the inside, you can see this is sewn down. Now I'll tell you, I did try one not too long ago, and this was not sewn down, so when I put it even through the delicate cycle, the bra cup that, keeps you from being able to be see-through, because I do not want to show through if it's cold, if you know what I mean. So I want some padding, and I don't want it too sheer of a bra. And so I was not happy because that padding moved around and got in a little ball, and I had to undo it and kind of, make it fill back out where it was supposed to be. This is sewn. Let's make sure it's sewn all the way around. Yes. So even when this washes, that piece is not going to move. Okay. Let's look also on the inside between the breasts. What does it do? Okay, again, it's very nicely sewn, and this part right here is very breathable. Because let's face it, you sweat there. And so you want it to be very, very breathable. Okay, let's see how wide okay, I love this. You know how some bra straps are just those little skinny ones that look sexy to people? To your husband? Well, it's not comfortable. And this is wider. And look, stretchy. Also, when it comes around the back, this is wider. Look, on the sides. So that you don't have the fat hangover. And also, look, it's got 3, not 2, hooks. So it just stands up better. And I noticed something else. What did I just notice? It had, what did I just do with it? Oh, right here. It gives you an extra extender. So if you needed it, you can extend your bra. Isn't that great? You can hook that on, and I think that's kind of nice. Very nice. Okay, so I've told you everything about it. So I'm excited. I'll let y'all know, just like the other two products I told you about, whether or not I'm just like sold on this, and it's like, guys, go get you one. So again, the brand is Truekind, True kind, all one word. And it says, offers innovation intimates that let you feel truly comfortable, free to be your own one-of-a-kind self. So I do like that. I got it in a very neutral skin color. If you have darker skin, I would get it in a darker color, because you want your bra to be the same color as what your skin is, so that it blends in with your skin underneath something that might be a little more sheer. Now, I don't really wear sheer stuff. One thing I will also tell you about the other bra that I got, the way that the straps work, you could see, like right here, because it came all the way up to right there. I need this to be over here where a bra strap is, so I do like this. And I will let y'all know, how do I like my Truekind bra. I will let y'all know how do I like my new Milk Stick natural deodorant, invisible deodorant, that does not have aluminum in it and a lot of other bad things in it. And also this Blissy pillowcase that's 100% real mulberry silk. So these are the products that I just hauled for you to tell you, do I love them or not? And I will have to let you know. I just wanted to haul and let you know that I'm going to be using these 3 items. And if it's something I truly love, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies, I will let you guys know, because we're all kind of looking for that, right? We're looking for the bra that fits and is comfortable and is washable. The pillowcase that is washable, pillowcase as well, but you just have to be careful with delicates, putting them on a delicate cycle, and do not tumble them dry. You either have a delicate cycle or either just let them air dry. And you can use a steamer to get any wrinkles out of the pillowcase. I would just let it air dry, and I wouldn't worry about it being, as long as you pull it straight out. You could put it in the dryer on delicate air dry for like 5 minutes just to get the wrinkles out, and then hang it over a hanger or let it flat dry. But and then this is just going to be over time, and I would say for a month I'm going to try all 3 products to give it a fair shot. That's what they even suggest for the deodorant, so that your body has a chance to adjust to everything. That you have a chance to adjust to this new pillowcase. You have a chance to adjust to the bra and how it looks under your clothes, and whether you feel like it's making you sweat to death or it's not supporting you well enough or whatever. But give it a good shot. Let it be 2 weeks to a month, and especially on any kind of cosmetic product. Give it a good 30 days to see, does this work for me? Whether it's a toiletry, makeup, whatever it is. And give it a fair shot, because, these are companies out in the world, they're trying to make a living, they're just a squirrel out there trying to get a nut, and I get that, we're all trying to do that. So I will give them a shot at it, and if they're worthy, then I will keep them. So that's it on those products. So I just did a whole bunch of hauls. Y'all would be like, Beth, we just got a ton of money lately. Actually, no, but I will tell you, there was 2 other items I just thought of that I do need to go ahead and do another haul. But I think I might wait till tomorrow on that, because I need to go and start making dinner, y'all. Alright, y'all, I love you. Y'all know that anytime that I say I'm trying a product, I'm going to let y'all know if the truth, if I don't like it after a period of use. So that's why I told you I will be using this, and maybe over some other videos I might tell you, I'm not even waiting 30 days, I'm going to tell you I love this, whether it's the pillowcase or the bra. As far as the deodorant, I'm going to wait a full 30 days, make sure my underarms, my skin, my, whatever makes you, not endocrine, what system it is, but that makes you have odor or not. There's a little doggy in here. I don't know what that means. Oh no, it's a little goat. Look. Because it's goat milk. But anyway, made from goat milk base. But anyway, I will just let y'all know if I really, really love something. But again, what I was saying was, on the deodorant, you do want to make sure you don't have a skin reaction, and give your body time. Even if you have a small reaction, if you have a true allergic reaction, forget it. But if it's a small, like one time I had a little bit of itching, on another deodorant I showed y'all, and I thought, well, I'm just getting used to it. I have not itched, by the way, at all with this product. But over time, it got worse instead of better, and so that's why I'm not using it anymore. But anyway, I'm very excited. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!